Hello children, are you ready to learn some fun words today with Miss P? Today we are going to learn animal names. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a cow. 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 Can you say cow? Well done! This is a pig. 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 Can you say pig? Super! This is a frog. 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 Can you say frog? Amazing! This is a fish. 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 Can you say fish? Well done! This is a bird. 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 Can you say bird? Amazing! This is a bear. 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 Can you say bear? Fantastic! This is a lion. 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 Can you say lion? Super! This is a dog. 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 Can you say dog? Well done! Great job, children! You were amazing! Let's say some more words soon. Bye-bye! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.